Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to propagate and care snake plant. Snake plant belong to the Dracaena species. It's a succulent and it has the ability to purify the carbon monoxide in the air, which is emitted by the vehicles. We can keep this plant in indoors or outdoors. If you keep it in indoors, you have to water it between a 15 to 20 days and keep it in a well lit place. Now, what is a well lit place? A place which don't get direct sunlight or dark in the daytime. If you keep it in outdoors, water is plant between 7 to 11 days. Do not overwater this. If you underwater this, it's okay, and do not overwater this because it is a succulent. Now we can see how to propagate this plant. Propagation also very easy. There are two ways to propagate it. One is the water method and another is the soil method. This plant is a succulent, so we can propagate it from leaf. Most of the succulent propagate by leaf, but this plant give birth to another plant. I will show you how my plant give birth to another plant. This is the third time this plant is giving a birth to another plant. This is the third plant, it is giving birth. The another two plants I have taken it separately and put it in another pots. You can take the healthy looking leaf, not the biggest one. Take a leaf and take some water. If you prefer the water method, take a glass so that you can see what's going on. If it started rotting, you can remove that and start in the cutting. Now I plug this leaf. Okay, I plugged two leaves and I am going to show you how to propagate by water. Sometimes I failed with this method because I immersed this part upside down. You should not do that. You should immerse the part which is in the bottom of the plant, and you have do the same here. Don't immerse that like this upside down. If you do that, it will look healthy. It might not rotting, but it will not grow and it will not start to rooting. Okay, so you have to immerse the lower part into the water. I hope you understand it. Okay, you have to immerse like this. If you are a working person, you should prefer the soil method because it is very easy than the water method. There is a benefit in the soil method. It will not rot if you don't water it between 7 days or so. Okay, now I have taken the soil and I will show you how to propagate by soil, and I have put some drainage hole down below. Immerse the leaves upper part into the soil. If you are a working person or a busy person, prefer this method because if you don't change the water frequently and it will start rotting. If you have to change the water every 2 to 3 days. If you don't change it, the cutting will start rotting. This is not only for the snake plant, it is applicable for all plants, all succulents. Okay, now water this after planting. And how can we know if the plant is thirsty or not? Touch the upper part of the soil and see. If the soil sticks to your finger, don't add water. If it doesn't stick to your finger, add water. And you have add water to your leaves in a 7 to 8 days and keep it in a well lit place. It will take 25 to 30 days to become a full plant. And complete water it. How to water it completely? Water this plant while water the plant after coming from the bottom. You should see the water coming out from the bottom. That is what I am coming to say. Okay, I will update how this plant doing on my upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.